my Winjas. This is Maya and welcome to another follow along, full body, no equipment, in your face, animal flow calisthenics workout. Today we're going to be hitting chest, back, abs, side abs, core, butt, hamstrings, quads, calves, you name it, all of it, animalistically on the ground, reconnecting with our body, feeling all those muscles. So, tighten your ponytail, adjust your balls, cue that intro. Please go do the warm-up and activations video first. Put that together with this one and we're gonna have about a 26-minute video. Yeah, 26 minutes to full body. Okay, focus, Maya. All right, guys, we're gonna have 6 exercises. On the clock will be 30 seconds of work with a 15-second break, all right? We're gonna be hitting legs, all that. So the first beat is going to be the 15-second break. The next beat is going to be 30 seconds of lunges. We're gonna do this for 3 rounds. So I'm gonna show you variations of each exercise and ways to modify it. First round coming up, first exercise in 2, 1, lunges. So we're going alternating front lunge. First round, stay with me. It's gonna go really fast. Each round is only gonna be 4.5 minutes. So what do I expect from you? In those 30 seconds, I want you in it to win it. Winja style. What you got? Tight abs, glute, rib cage zipped up, knees just hovering in the back. Come up tall, lunging. All right, we got the 15-second rest. Yeah, okay, we're gonna go hit the ground. Next move is gonna be the Superman goes swimming for that upper back, mid back, lower back, glutes. Damn, okay. Here we go. So, go up into your Superman, Superwoman, and then pretend you're pulling water through the air. And this is gonna be so challenging for a lot of you because if you don't have the shoulder mobility or the T-spine, thoracic spine mobility, you're gonna be like, what the hell? Otherwise, come on, try your best to bring your chest up and to bring your butt up. Squeeze that butt to raise the leg. Yes, take your break. Woo! Third exercise coming up. We got plank with the row. So now we're incorporating core strength, core stability, plus keeping on with the back exercise with the row. Yo, here we go. Plank. Take an arm out, elbow to the back of the room. Like you're freaking elbow smashing someone. What you say? Yeah. So, right now, we got abs engaged, we got back engaged. This is how we get it done fast. In and out of the gym, in and out of the dining room, so we can go live our best life. Take your break. Okay, Winjas, at any time, if you need to pause this tape and to make your break longer, go for it. Otherwise, we're going on our back and we're gonna work that ass. Glute bridge coming up. Woo. All right, so in the glute bridge, make sure your butt is rock hard squeezed and engaged. Bring your attention through your butt. The point of this exercise is not to go up as high as possible, but it's to bring your knee forward as far as possible. That's gonna help you engage your glutes more, hamstrings more, and lower back more than just going full extending. Stay with me, you should be feeling that burn. Yes, take your break. Next up, we're gonna hit static beast with the shoulder tap. So now I'm amping up the static beast and making it harder by making it really unstable. And that's why I needed you to warm up. Here we go, static beast, take a shoulder, tap a shoulder, tap and hold. 1, 2, 1, 2. Nothing else should change. 1, 2. You should still look rock solid, nice solid pelvis, nice solid lower back. The only thing that moves is the hand. And then you're gonna feel those abs, quads burning. Holy shit. Stay with me, yes. Last exercise coming up. We've got side kick through, too hard, you can definitely drop a foot. Otherwise, give me that hovercraft. Bing. And then open the sling. So pulling the hand back, thereby increasing the tension and the stretch through the anterior oblique sling. We only got 5 seconds left. Woo. Push, push, push. Yes. First round, done. Yeah. Okay. Pause the tape if you need to and rest, but we're going right back into lunges. I got 3 seconds. Hey, I'm gonna switch it up. I'm gonna do lateral lunges. This is the Winja way. We move in all directions. Left, right, side, up, down, to the left, to the I love teaching movement patterns. So this is a knee dominant exercise. So any type of lunging, squatting, and if you can learn to lunge side to side, front to back, you're gonna be able to move well through all of life. Okay, getting into Superman Go Swimming again. Okay, on your stomach. Take a break. All right. This is the second round. You guys know what to expect now. So I want you to really focus. Bring your chest as high out as you can. Imagine there's a pencil between your shoulder blades, and each time you pull that water back, you're squeezing that pencil. Oh my goodness. Swimming, swimming. Pull that water through, create your own resistance. Down. That was a long 30 seconds. Woo. We got the plank with the rows next. Okay. Wipe off that upper lip. 2, 1, let's go. Hit that plank sequence. Remember, tuck that tailbone underneath you. I don't want no ass up in the air. Row, row. If this is too hard with the row, just stay in plank for me. Whatever plank it is that you prefer. Forearms, hands. Even if you need to elevate your hands, that's all good. Right now, this is my workout of the day, so I'm gonna crush it. And row. Whew. Okay. Now we're gonna do the glute bridge. So the glute bridge is a hip dominant exercise. When you do full body, you wanna make sure you hit a knee as well as a hip dominant move. So that's why we're going thrust up. Push the knees forward. Okay, round 2, let's spice it up a bit. If you're ready, give me some single leg glute bridge marching. So, when you make it one leg only, boy, you are amping up the intensity because you're amping up the instability, and you really gotta force yourself to maintain your composure and your stability. We got static beast shoulder tap coming right up. Oh, yo. Okay, here we go. The static beast shoulder tap, as in a movement pattern, is an anti-rotation, right? I'm fighting my body's want to just fall over, so anti-rotation. I love teaching all the different 6 movement patterns, and we have all of it here in this workout. Check out the description box. I give you guys a really easy cheat sheet, PDF, that you can understand how to create your own using all 6 movement patterns. Oh, 3 seconds. Hey, talking is a really good distraction. Oh yeah. Okay, we got side kick throughs coming up. Now, instead of anti-rotation, the side kick through is a rotation exercise. Okay, because I'm rotating as I'm pushing and pulling. Rotate, push, pull. This one move has all 3 patterns all in one. That's why when you guys ask me how do I incorporate animal flow into my workout, this is exactly what I do. I create a circuit, I put it back to back, I make sure I hit all the movement patterns, then I freaking dig deep, yo. We got 3 seconds left. Oh, yes! Last round. Okay. love to just amp up as much as I can and drop the mic and leave feeling proud. So last round, I'm gonna go for it. You can stay with me or you can do what we were doing. So we were doing lunges, lateral or front. I'm gonna hit the plyometric. This is advanced. This is way harder because we're adding a little jump. It requires a lot more muscle, balance, endurance. Make sure you're ready. Oh cow. You have to think even I'm ready. Okay. Whoa. Woo. Superman. So, give me your best, Superman. Superwoman. We're almost there. Last round. The endorphins are flowing. Let's go. Pull. This is a pull movement. We're pulling, pulling, pulling. That's what I want you to think about when you're doing this. Sometimes when we work out at home, we forget how to pull because it's really easy to just bang out a bunch of push-ups, right? But we need to try to be as balanced as possible, front to back, side to side. So whenever you can incorporate any type of Superman, your body's gonna love you for it. Oh my goodness. My body's not loving me for talking and working out at the same time. Plank with the rolls. Engage plank sequence. Row, row. Okay, level through, round 3, I'm gonna level it up. Row and twist. Row and twist. So what did I do? I'm doing anti-rotation with this move, and then I'm adding rotation with that move. This is how you wingify your life. Get in, get out, drop the mic, feeling freaking awesome, and moving in a way that completely serves you and helps you live your best life. Woo! Glute bridges, yes. All right, let's do this. We're gonna go full single leg and then switch for the next half. So come on, if you can, bridge up for a whole 15 seconds, and then we're gonna switch and finish off the exercise with the other leg. You're gonna feel this ass, yeah. Time to get some tighter. Time to get some thicker ass pants. When you start focusing on a hip dominant movement, we got 4 seconds. Thrust, up, knee, forward, go. Yes. Woo, static beast with the tap. You definitely don't need to be hitting it this hard with such a short break. If you need to increase your break time, okay, at any time. There is no ego here. Static beast with the tap. Check it out. I'm gonna make it a little bit harder on myself. I'm gonna go beast press, tap, tap. So that I can really feel like I crushed that biatch. I went in, I ripped that workout in half. I dropped the mic, beast, tap, tap. Oh damn. Yeah, you know what this means? Last exercise, last round, last 30 seconds. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Side kick throughs. Okay, I'm gonna add a little jump to my side kick through this time. So what does that look like? Looks like this. And then a jump. Oh, I might W right up in my way. And a jump. Oh, snap! These are falling apart. And a jump. Oh, shoot. I'm feeling it. Oh, hot damn. This is my jam. 13.5 minutes. Done. Okay. Let's take a moment. All right, Winjas. So if you are in it with me, you should be upper lip, sweat flicking, hot mess, feeling like $1 million. That took us 13.5 minutes. I really hope you did the warm-up video as well. 30 minutes with a little cool down, and you are done for the day. At home, no equipment, completely free. So there is no excuse to not get her done. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining me. All of these follow along workouts have been taken directly out of my Win Your Way program. This is how I like to train. This is what I love to teach because I know you're gonna get full benefit and a full balanced, effective workout. So check out the description box below for links, helpful videos that you can watch to increase your technique and get better and keep on moving. Guys, I'm here every Tuesday, every Friday. Check back. I'll see you next time.